Check out this value-packed rural property here in Niagara. We're located just outside of the village of Wellandport on a beautiful 1-acre lot. This house has 6 total bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a fully separate in-law suite, which is amazing for multi-gen living or supplemented rental income, and the property itself features a heated, insulated workshop, a pond, a chicken coop, and professional landscaping. I'm Wes Skillstra, broker with the Wayne Skillstra team, and let's take a tour of my latest listing here on Wellandport Road. So stepping into your own private backyard, this is where you're going to want to spend hours with family and friends. We've got composite Trex decking, beautiful patio area, and then if you turn behind me, you'll notice this. Just an amazing view of mature trees, your own private pond where your kids can frog catch, and then in the winter they can skate on their own private pond. We've also got a chicken coop. You can raise chickens, have your own eggs every morning. This property is just spectacular. If you would like more information on how you can live here on Wellandport Road, just outside of Wellandport in the amazing township of Waynfleet, call or text me, Wes Skillstra, anytime at 289-213-7337.